Hello, guys. My name is Patrick Mensah, and today I am going to talk about histogram of integers. So, histogram are excellent for showing the mode, the spread, and the symmetry, or let's say the skew of a data set. But our function hist, which I showed you initially, is deceptively simple. That is very, it can deceive you. So here I am going to create 1,000 random integers, which is drawn from a Poisson distribution with a mean of 1.7. With the default, it is it's very pretty. When it comes to the scaling, and it can produce like 8 bars. But the histogram produces a graphic that does not clearly distinguish between zeros and ones. So with this one, the bricks is something that is going to help you. In the previous video, I show you how to do the bricks. So now let's look at this. So for example, I told you that I'm going to create 1,000 random integers that is drawn from a Poisson distribution. So let's say we can say that, okay, the numbers. So we can say the numbers. We are going to, it's from a Poisson distribution. So Poisson distribution, we use this RPOS. So, and it tells you the number. So n and then the lambda. So you can say that n is equal to, which is the number, is equal to 1,000. And then the lambda, which is the mean. So you can say, okay, lambda. So lambda is equal to, I said 1.7. Okay, so 1.70. Very nice. Now, so the number, okay, let's say I said numbers. So we use this one and then we run it. So let's run it and see. So it has given you the numbers. Now, we are going to create a histogram for this. So this is how it looks like. And it's very pretty simple. But because of the, I'll do this one without the bricks, and then I will do the one with the bricks. That will distinguish between zeros and the ones. So now let's do this without the bricks. So I say histogram, and then we say the numbers. The numbers, I'm just calling them the number I just created. So the numbers, and then we can say, okay, the mean, which we already, mean, which we already know is the title. So we can say histogram from a Poisson histogram from a Poisson distribution. Distribution is already here. What else can we do? We can say the X lab, which we can say random numbers from Poisson. So we can say random numbers from Poisson. Very simple. Okay, so with mean 1.70. Let's run it and see. It shows you everything over here. Very nice. So now this is without the bricks. So here with low value integers like this, it is much pretty better to specify the number of beans explicitly. So with this one, we have to use the bricks argument, of which in the previous video, I showed you how to do that. So the most important bricks for count data are -5 to +5. And this one is going to help you to capture 0.5 to 1.5. So, and then ones and then and so on. So they're going to use the bricks from 0.5, let's say to 8. Our researchers that will create a sequence automatically. Now, here, the histogram will make it clear as ones are roughly twice and zeros. So now let's look at how it is done. And here, so I'll show you the code. So we can say, okay, so the same histogram, and then we see the numbers. It's the same thing, but just some few things we are going to do. So, and then here you can say, okay, the mean. There's no need to bring the mean. Okay, I mean, I can just bring it and just do it like this. Which I didn't say anything. And then what you have to say is the X lab, which is going to tell you that they are random numbers from a Poisson. So numbers from a Poisson with mean, we put them in a bracket with mean 1.70. And then, okay, so now we have to add the breaks. So we say, okay, let's add the breaks, sorry. We add the breaks, and then we can say that the breaks is going to come from, let's say, minus 0.5 and then to 8.5. So 8.5. And then let's run it and see how it's going to give us. Very, very, very nice. So this is how it's done. So now we can see that the mode is 1 and not 0. And that's twos are substantially more frequent than zeros. The distribution is said to be skewed to the right, which we all can see, or we can say it is positively skewed because the long tails is on the right end of the histogram. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.